Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn some daily useful English sentences which you can use in your daily conversation. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence है मुझे नहीं पता कि किसने किया. I don't know who did this. I don't know who did this. कुछ भी मत छिपाओ. Don't hide anything. Don't hide anything. मैं हर समय आपकी मदद नहीं कर सकता. I can't help you all the time. I can't help you all the time. हम इसे सुबह तक निपटा लेंगे. We will finish it by morning. We will finish it by morning. वह मुझे जाने नहीं देता. He doesn't let me go. He doesn't let me go. नहीं किसी और दिन. No some other day. No some other day. आज रात कौन आने वाला है? Who is going to come tonight? Who is going to come tonight? तुम्हें पता है मैं आज उससे मिला. You know what? I met him today. You know what? I met him today. कौन कौन जानता है? Who all know? Who all know? आपकी क्या राय है? What's your opinion? What's your opinion? जब भी आपके पास समय हो मुझे मैसेज करना. Whenever you have time, message me. Whenever you have time, message me. आप अच्छी तरह जानते हो कि मैं परेशान क्यों हूँ. You know very well why I am upset. You know very well why I am upset. अभी मैं क्या करूँ? What shall I do now? What shall I do now? मैं आपसे 10 बजे के बाद मिलूँगा. I will meet you after 10 o'clock. I will meet you after 10 o'clock. मैं तुम्हारे जाने के बाद आऊँगा. I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. मैं 6 बजे तक निकल जाऊँगा. I will leave by 6 o'clock. I will leave by 6 o'clock. मैं उनके बाद पहुँचा. I reached after them. I reached after them. वो कौन लड़की है या फिर वो लड़की कौन है? Who is that girl? Who is that girl? जब मैंने फ़ोन किया तो तुम बाहर थे. You was out when I called. You was out when I called. आपने अपना फ़ोन कब बदला? When did you change your phone? When did you change your phone? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? ये पंखा काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? Why is this fan not working? Why is this fan not working? मैं तुम पर गुस्सा नहीं करूँगी. I'll not be angry at you. I'll not be angry at you. अगला विजेता कौन होगा? Who will be the next winner? Who will be the next winner? मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया. I somehow got to know about it. I somehow got to know about it. हमने वाकई में ज़िंदगी जी. We really lived life. We really lived life. बक बक मत करो. Don't prattle. Don't prattle. वह आज आ रहा होगा. He would be coming today. He would be coming today. कल तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? क्या तुम सच बोल रहे हो? Are you telling the truth? Are you telling the truth? ये मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया. It slipped out of my mind. It slipped out of my mind. इस दुनिया में कोई भी परफेक्ट नहीं है. Nobody is perfect in this world. Nobody is perfect in this world.